The opening will be the external auditory canal that leads you to the tympanic membrane, which is this. And behind the tympanic membrane, we have the auditory tube or eustachian tube, same thing. And the space where you find the tympanic membrane, this space, is the tympanic cavity. And on the tympanic membrane, we have the bones. The one that touches the membrane is the malleolus. And next to the malleolus will be the ancus. And the ancus will be connected with this one, called the stapes. Good. You have the other thing inside. The big thing, yeah. The big one.
I think
We're looking for.
you took it.
Yeah, this one. Good. So this is the stapes, right? And when you remove the stapes, the space that you see after you remove the stapes is the oval window. And next to the oval window, the circular one will be the round window. See it? And the circular structures will be the semicircular canal. If this will be specific, this will be the anterior semicircular canal, posterior semicircular canal, and lateral semicircular canal. Good. And at the end of each semicircular canal, you see this bumpy area will be the ampulla. At the end of each, I see you, man. And the junction of the three semicircular canal will be the vestibule. And inside of the vestibule, we have the utricle and the saccule. And from the utricle and the saccule, we have the endolymphatic duct that leads you to the endolymphatic sac, which is this. And remember, you said that was the vestibule? And the nerve that's coming from the vestibule will be the vestibular nerve, which is this one. And this structure will be the cochlea. And the nerves from the cochlea, cochlear nerve. Now on the exam, there's a model where you see these two combined together. And this will be your vestibulocochlear nerve when they are combined. And inside of the cochlea, these openings inside, they use this model for it. So for the openings on this, we have the vestibular duct, or you can call it scala vestibuli, tympanic duct or scala tympani, scala media or cochlear duct. It's the same thing. And if they ask for the fluid that goes inside of the openings, for this one we have the perilymph, and for this one is the perilymph too. For this one in the middle is endolymph.
What do you call the structure again?
The
small one, scala
scala
media.
media.
Can you call it
Or
vestibular?
cochlear duct.
Cochlear duct.
Scala vestibuli or vestibular duct. It's scala tympani or tympanic duct. And next to the scala vestibuli or vestibular duct, we have the vestibular membrane. Right? Vestibular membrane. Now the whole structure in the middle will be the organ of Corti. And inside of the organ of Corti, we have the tectorial membrane, the basilar membrane, the blue line, basilar membrane. And in between, you see this hairy structure. These are the hair cells. And then after that, the outer membrane will be the bony labyrinth, this part. And the pink one inside will be the membranous labyrinth of this, membranous labyrinth. Bony labyrinth, membranous labyrinth. And these structure at the bottom, these are the spiral ganglia. And after that, we have the cochlear nerve. Right. And that's it.
What about this?
Oh, this is still part of the nerve.
It's part of nerve.
Yeah.
The cochlear nerve.
Cochlear
Right?
nerve.
And this right here.
These I don't know. I don't think
This
they
one.
know that.
Okay, can you go with
Bony labyrinth.
Oh, okay. So what labyrinth?
Yeah, bony
we don't
labyrinth.
have to know
Membranous labyrinth. I don't know what
We
that
don't have
is.
to know that. Okay, because
I don't think we need to know that. And that's it.